Hello everybody, it is Emery48 here and welcome back to a cell to Singularity. Whoa. I didn't realize I could even zoom out on this game. That is a weird way to zoom out. Alright, I want to get kind of back to, whoa. I played this game a couple of weeks ago and I really enjoyed it, so I am back and I can't figure out the zoom thing. This is going great. Let's see what else we can buy back here. We have so much cash now from what we did before, basically. Okay. Enzymes. To produce a reaction, you must first have a catalyst. Enzymes act as the trigger for biochemical reactions. They are necessary to kickstart the metabolic processes that sustain life. Basically, I really enjoyed this game the last time I played it, and I am back to do it again. Yeah, that's where we're at this point. I just really enjoyed playing this game. And we're back. I've got a little over an hour today to play. So that's kind of where we're at this point. Let's see, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are found only in plant cells that contain the pigment chlorophyll and are where of the process of photosynthesis takes place. I don't know why I couldn't read that one. Alright, we got 43 billion from our time off. And as you can see, I only get 7,000 per click, so I significantly increased our amount there. Let's get sponge up to 50. That's the next one to go up to 50. So we get a award for that one. Where's the new award? There it is. Sponges, hospitable. Sponges can provide a home for up to 16,000 other creatures while they are alive. Very cool. Oscula. As sponges gain nutrients by letting water pass through them, they also need a way to excrete what's left over. The oscula is a hole where this wastewater passes out of the sponge when it's done feeding. So, poop? Is that what you're telling me? It's just poop? Cool, I guess. Alright. I think we can get jellyfish. Oh, this stuff's gonna start getting expensive, isn't it? What's the award? It's after 10, right? Or it's after 25? Let's get this thing. Medulla oblongata. A structure located in the lower part of the brainstem, the medulla controls the automatic functions of the body, including heartbeat, breathing, and sleeping. It evolved in fish around 500 million years ago and forms a large portion of the reptile brain. So we're still 500 million years before our current time. Fins. The proto-limb. Fins would eventually develop into hind legs that would help mammals, reptiles, birds, and amphibians travel on land. Very cool. How far up does this go? Can't really tell, I guess. Alright, this is only 15 million, so the first animals emerge from the ocean and start living on dry land. Very cool. We're going to get to see that now. Land. Our water. No. Our pool. Our Earth. Earth kind of looks the same. It hasn't really changed throughout, honestly. Let's read up about the tetrapod. The original colonizers, tetrapods, were the first water dwellers to develop legs and amphibious breathing and crawl onto dry land. Very cool. Alright, we're going to start moving these up to 25, the flatworms. There we go. I thought that was supposed to give us something. Tape as old as time. For you Disney lovers out there. A fossilized tapeworm, a species of flatworm, has been found that dates back to 270 million years ago. Very cool. Alright, Biash. Let's get these guys up to 25. Ooh, we've gained a jaw. Bang. Fish. Just keep swimming. Fish have been on the earth for more than 450 million years. We added a jaw, the articulated bones that surround the mouth. Jaws made respiration and nutrition more efficient. They enable chewing, hold the teeth, and protect the tongue and soft palate. I feel like a lot of what I'm learning is like stuff I learned in like science class in high school, but it's still, for whatever reason, really fun. Let's bring the tetrapods up to 25. Because we can. Bang. Right. Icy iguanas, cold chameleons. Reptiles are found on every continent except Antarctica. Let's give them legs. Legs evolve from fins to fulfill an organism's need to support their body weight, a trait essential for migrating from the oceans onto dry land. Quadrupedalism. Animals that stand and walk on four legs are called quadrupeds. This adaptation requires strong joints and allows animals to stand farther from the ground and travel greater distances. We'll give them warm-blooded. Warm-blooded organisms have the ability to maintain a body temperature higher than their environments, enabling them to move to new and more diverse homes. Give them some lungs. Background just drastically changed on me. Evolving from swim bladders in fish, the gas-filled bladders called lungs gave tetrapods the ability to breathe air and the means to function on land. The ear, a redefined version of an organism's ability to sense vibrations in the air. Ears allow creatures to hear when a potential predator is sneaking up on them, or when their prey is trying to escape. Holy 20 billion! A 3-bone ear for 20 billion. That was a lot. Also known as the middle ear, these 3 bones, the hammer, anvil, and stirrup, are a set of organic levers that regulate the perception of sound. Eggshell. Cool. An egg is a self-contained life support system filled with amniotic fluid that enables reproduction to be possible outside of wet environments. Reptiles, birds, and a handful of rare mammals lay eggs. Yes, they do. And we're gonna get a mammal. Ooh. Hi, bunny. I don't see my... Oh, there are a couple out there. It's a really satisfying thing, just seeing them all over the place. Let's read up on the mammals. First vertebrates with warm blood. Mammals nurse their young with milk from mammary glands, have skin covered in fur or hair, and have larger brains that possess a neocortex. Holy cow, things start getting expensive here. Alright. I mean, we can definitely afford it. Hair. Not only did hair keep mammals' temperature regulated, but certain hair follicles eventually evolved into important glands like the ones that produce milk for mammalian young. The uterus is an organ in which a fetus develops. This part of the mammalian reproductive system is where an egg is fertilized and is gestated until it is ready to be born. Most animals that lay eggs have an oviduct instead of a uterus. Cool. I wonder how high we can get mammals up to. We're making 60 million per second. That's cool. This is going to be very expensive now that it's over $1 billion per... I don't have enough to get that one to 25. That's a gross creature. I don't know if I want that yet. I'm going to go back down here. And we're going to keep getting other things up to 100. Well, now that I've started, I'll get this one up to 100. Bang. Figured that would get something. Alright. Sex cells, great. DNA strands come together to form tight coils to create a chromosome. Humans have 23 pairs for a total of 46 chromosomes. DNA replication, the basis for biological inheritance. DNA replicates by produces identical copies of existing DNA so that traits can be passed on from one organism to its offspring. I'm really glad that this got found because I was freaking out about that last video and not being able to find it. So I'm very much at ease now. Getting this up to whatever the top total is going to be painful. I can feel it. Alright, prokaryotic cells are going up to 100. We unlock another thing. Beautiful. Share and share alike. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells share 4 characteristics: DNA, RNA, a cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. Cool. Holy cow, 23 billion for ribosomes. Wow. Ribosomes are tiny particles that help to synthesize proteins and polypeptides in the cells. That was expensive. Didn't much appreciate that. Alright, let's get eukaryotic cells up to 100, I guess. I can't afford it anymore. Oh, didn't mean to zoom in. Okay, zoom is not the friendliest of clicks. Okay. Cash goes quick in this game. I had 43 billion when I started, like, not even 20 minutes ago. So that's great. No. I want to save that stuff for more useful things. Go away. Alright, there we go. We're gonna go check on our Mesozoic Valley because I believe I can asteroid these guys. Yeah, are you ready to trigger? Yeah. Asteroid. Cool. Meteor struck the Earth and caused an extinction event. Those 45 creatures are no more. Their loss is unfortunate, but their sacrifice is necessary for our research. Get back to work on a new simulation. We must successfully generate all the possible dinosaurs in this reality. Was that not what I was supposed to do? Is that what you're telling? Okay, no, I'm at level 2 now. You. What the heck were you? What did you do? Alright, the Archaeosaur. This clade includes the ancestors of dinosaurs, birds, and crocodiles. A clade represents a single family branch on the tree. That is still weird to me. So I guess the goal of these is just to blow them up. I guess the thing that I don't understand about this area is why it's inherently different than the other area. Like, the simulation is physically a different mode. Alright, let's read up on this a little bit. The Ornithischia are one of 2 different orders of dinosaurs. These herbivores with beak-like structures are often called bird-hipped dinosaurs, as their pelvic structure resembles that of modern-day birds. Parasaurolophus is one of the Ornithischian dinosaurs. You're welcome. Opithopubic pelvis. Some dinosaurs had a pubis bone. that pointed downward and backwards to support their abdomen, resulting in a four-pronged pelvic structure. Oh, it can do it automatically. Oh, that is what I... It's... Yeah, it's... Oh, it's... Hello? Complete missions. Open a geo, okay. Thank you. I don't know what that is. It's that. We're buying this immediately. The predentary bone. The predentary bone is a bone at the front of the lower jaw that forms a beak-like apparatus, perfect for sharing plant material. It is common in herbivores. We need... my Stegosaurus, I guess. Alright, the Stegosaurus was a quadrupedal, plant-eating dinosaur known for distinctive rows of large upright plates on their back. Oh, that's new, I guess. Cool. Ankylosaurus. The ankylosaur was a bulky armored herbivore from the late Cretaceous period with a large clubbed tail that could shatter predators' bones. Okay. Open another geode. Get some more of that stuff. Cool. Oh, it doesn't increase. Okay. This area does feel more tedious than the other area, but I'm intrigued. And besides, I don't have cash in the other area anyway. It seems easier to build cash in this area, so This is where we will sit for the time being. Besides, I want to get to another meteor possibility, so that way every episode from the first one can have a meteor, I guess. There we go. Okay. That, I think, helped. I would assume that helped. I wish I could make these guys more automatic. Cool. Oh, this is all missions. Oh yeah, we finished it to a point where we can get another asteroid. So we'll start the next episode with another asteroid there. Whoa. 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 I didn't realize I could move around in that area. Okay. Interesting. That's right, eukaryotic cells were going up to 100. Holy cow. A lot of food, actually. Pump up the volume. Eukaryotic cells are typically much larger than those of prokaryotes. They have a volume of around 10,000 times greater than prokaryotic cells. Cool. Massive comet. 66 million years ago, 3/4 of all life on Earth suddenly died. Scientists today believe that this mass extinction event was caused by the impact of an asteroid that ushered in a devastating ecological collapse. But without this disaster, the modern world would not exist. Out of the ocean, escaping the dangers of the sea, the first land dwellers develop legs and make their way onto solid ground, heralding a new age of evolution. We're going to bring jellyfish up to 50. Well hydrated. Jellyfish are 95% water. A polyp. Polyps are non-mobile, sea-dwelling creatures consisting of a tube with a mouth surrounded by tentacles. Some examples of polyps include coral and sea anemones. Cool. Flatworms, let's get them up to 50. That sucks. Flatworms can extend their mouths into their prey and use them like a vacuum cleaner to suck out their victims' insides. Yikes. Yeah, that is kind of gross. Predation. Predation is the biological interaction where one animal becomes an aggressor or predator and eats another animal. The prey. Let's see, we're gonna bring fish up to 50. I kind of misclicked, but it's fine. That's what I was going to do anyway. That's gross. Whale of a tail. Many of the largest sea-dwelling animals are mammals, not fish. These include whales and dolphins. Sharks, however, are fish. Thank you. I'm saving these, by the way, because I can double my earnings when I come back, and it accrues while I am not even playing the game. So in the week or two between recordings, it will accrue so much, which is why I had 42 billion to start this video, and now 42 billion is barely much of anything, as I have something down here which is 115.9 billion, which is still rather far away. So the excretion opening. The excretion opening. Most creatures develop a specific hole through which waste is exclusively excreted. This is necessary to evolve complex digestive systems. Ooh, we do want to get mammals up to 25. I don't know if we're not going to be able to. I don't want to deal with them yet. They look gross. 700 billion. I understand that, like, the values in this game continue to go up. Like, when we bought this, it was, or we didn't buy that. We bought did we buy? Yeah, we bought a moon for like 240 or something like that. Like, now we're dealing in the billions. It's kind of nuts. You know, we've got time in this video to actually go and do a second meteor strike. Let me first, out of curiosity, just bought a couple extras. I don't think I saved that coinage anyway. Yeah, increases the number. I guess that's cool. It's astonishing to see how similar these creatures are to modern reptiles. Reptiles unlocked in main simulation. New discovery turtle is added to main simulation. That's cool. Yeah, so I didn't get the stuff anyway. Oh, we get to keep this. That is incredible. The Archosaur. This clade includes the ancestors of dinosaurs, birds, and crocodiles. A clade represents a single family branch on the tree of life. Same thing that we've had every other time we've had the Cladiosaur. And the pelvis, opistopubic pelvis, is the same pubis bone that we had in the last one. So nothing changed there. Get this. Oh, it's still automatic. Yes, of course we're going that far. Stegosaurus. Do we have the ability to make that automatic? We do. So we need to upgrade this. Get that up to 55. Now that I know that like the dinosaur area helps in moving stuff forward on the main track now as well, that's very cool and makes me more interested in this area. Sure, I guess. I didn't really know I was admitting to. Whoa. It's now a different color. I didn't know I was going to admit to that before I even clicked it, if I'm honest. There we go. It's open a geode. Yes. That's big. That's big. Rank that up. Armor. By developing bony plates, spikes, and scales that were embedded in their skin, some dinosaurs were able to stay protected against attacks from predators. Collect Triceratops? Oh, boy. I feel like I'm concentrating and focusing really hard on the dinosaur part when there's like no need. I'm just sitting here clicking, but I'm like dialed in and I don't know why. You guys have seen me play other games like Rocket League and Warzone, games that probably should take more focus, but I'm putting more into this game somehow. No, I didn't mean to click on that again, now did I? Oh. geode. Making these things go automatic is so very helpful. Alright, we're one away from both things at this point. There we go, we get a new geode. Hopefully we can make the Ankylosaurus. That's tough, but we got an extra thing to get the next geode. Hopefully this one gets the Ankylosaurus. No, okay. That's annoying. Whoa. Weird camera angle, but that's a big boy. Why did it flash like that? That was so odd. Alright. Well, the Triceratops is an herbivore from the late Cretaceous period. The Triceratops. Dang it. Had 3 defensive horns on its face and a large bony frill behind its head. Alright, we're going with the Stegosaurus. Up to 45. Really want to get the auto thing for the Ankylosaurus, but it's not coming. Alright, 2 away down there. One more and we're good. Bang. Alright. Just gonna wait a second. Pop that, open the geode. Dang it. It's realistically not what we wanted. Alright, it does progress pretty well on the dinosaur side, at least. And you can get through like a whole level essentially pretty quickly. So we're about to be done with all the missions on here. That better give us the... Come on. Ugh. That's annoying. Pull that up. Yeah, we've got enough to level that up at least. Come on, give us the auto, please, for the next level. Dang. Or we're gonna save this asteroid for the next one. Because we've already done 2 asteroids in this video. Did we not gain some? I thought we gained a objective, but I guess not. Turtle, originally emerging during the Middle Jurassic period. Turtles are one of the oldest of groups of living reptiles. They are known for their distinctive shells. I can't get it, though. I was kind of expecting to be able to get. This we can get fairly easily. Oh, that's how we're going to get to it. Okay. Scaled epidermis. Thick, tough skin covered in scales allows the reptiles to live on land without needing to return to the water periodically to survive. Amphibians lack this advantage, which led reptiles to become the dominant species on land for millennia. I think rather than going up to the rats for now, we'll head over to reptile. Oh. I'm content with my choice. Man, we're about to get beefed, though. Reptile. Modern reptiles can trace their roots back to the early archosaurs. While they are a shadow of their former selves, they still carry some of their ancient ancestors' traits. That's not even an upgradable thing. Okay. Holy cow, there's a lot of stuff to get in this game. Looking at how much I have blank still. 26 out of 248. Tells me right there, actually. Trillion? 2.45 trillion? We're gonna go to beaks. Inside of their bony beaks, turtles eat using a combination of horny ridges, which are believed to have replaced their teeth around 150 million years ago, and strong jaws. Shells. Growing out of their ribs and acting as a shield, a turtle's shell helps to protect their body from accidents and predators. Turtle. Yes. Turtles. Swimming? I can't get swimming. I can't even be close to getting swimming. And the next thing to move forward on is the rats. Well, unless we get this up to 25, but... Cool. It's at least an objective of mine. Where there's a whale. Blue whales are the world's largest mammals. They are also the world's largest animal, period. Alright, this looks like it's about to unlock a little... I didn't like the noise. I don't like rats. Can we stay away from the rats for now? Probably not. Alright, got that up as high as it can go. I guess we'll go for the rats. I don't like it. I didn't want rats. Growth. Growth? Gross. Eutherians are mammals that live young. That are sustained in utero by a placenta. This organ siphons nutrients between mother and offspring, resulting in a longer pregnancy and more developed infant. Humans are eutherians. Okay, I guess I was saying myself was gross. I don't like that the picture's a rat. I'm glad that it's not like mammal where I upgrade it. But mammal brain. We'll get that. With the development of the limbic system, mammals gain the ability to experience more complex emotions than reptiles. These adaptations also improve mammals' memory. Now we can learn from our mistakes. Cool. I like doing that. Not going to be able to get that up either. Primate. Whoa. Whoa. Evolving from early tree-climbing mammals, primates are animals with large brains and dexterous hands. They have evolved with astonishing diversity. Animals ranging from gorillas to lemurs to humans are all primates. I know it keeps trying to tell me I have a brain, but I struggle to see it sometimes when I am reading these words. No, I need a double. I can't. What was it down here? 115? Phagocytic cell. Phagocytes, or white blood cells, are cells that have the ability to ingest other cells or harmful foreign particles and are essential for producing immunity to infectious or contaminating agents. Cool. ape. The earliest ancestors of humankind come down from their trees. An advancement in primate evolution, the apes of the Hominidae family are ancestors of the modern humans' earliest ancestors. Divergent branches of evolution created both humans and the modern great apes. That's brain. Can't click you, but that's brain. Did I get anything for that? No. Really? I didn't get anything for making ape? It's annoying. Let's get a domed cranium. Primates have larger brains than most animals. Their unique skulls provide more room for these large brains, protecting them from damage and giving them more room to grow. Olfactory lobes. Mammals have large olfactory nodes, the part of their brains that control their sense of smell. These enlarged sections contribute to the larger size of the mammal brain overall. That's cool. Something I didn't know. I know I can smell, but I didn't know that that's why my brain was tonk. Gotta get that big brain to take in a sense. Haven't made much in the cold sections. Am I gonna get to go to space? Is that something that we do in this game? Because if so, very cool. Oh yes, I wonder. Why is that not an objective here? It's the only thing that we've made that hasn't been an objective. Or no, it was an objective when we had 25, wasn't it? That's why. So we increase turtle efficiency. Alright. Okay, where are we at around here? I mean, this is at 17 million. We could easily get that up to something else. What do we reckon? It's going to be 25, 50, 100. Is this... The big thing is this could be 150, 200, or 250. And this could be 500 or 1,000. That could realistically also be 500. And that could be 1,000. And that would be a lot. Closer we with turtle. 5 away. We're not even gonna get 2 right now. 5 away, we could get 3. We could get 25 turtle. Out of the swamps. Their names? No. Why are you locked? Can I get off that? Oh, can I put life on moon? I, brain just jiggling out there is kind of disturbing. That's a rank. Oh, that's crocodiles are rank 6. That is at the is dark out here. Okay. Nope. Alright, it's gonna be kind of a grind to get these last two, but that's fine. This will probably be the last thing that we do in this episode, is get 77 billion to get this turtle. Alright, it's gonna take about a minute-ish. That's fine. I hope you guys are enjoying this game as much as I am, because I am very much enjoying this game. If you aren't enjoying this game, please let me know games that you want me to play. Even if you are enjoying this game, let me know other games you want me to play. I will probably be back on this game. Whether it's on the channel or not will pretty much be up to your guys' enjoyment of the first two videos. So yeah, but I've been very much enjoying this game. As simple as the game feels, it's been a lot of fun. Ooh, turtles far down, okay. Turtle shells are made out of over 50 bones, most of which are fused together. These include the turtle's spine and rib cage. Cool. Alright, let's see how far up we can get. Not very far, we can get it up to 9. Out of curiosity, I want to fly the amino acid up, because I know we can fly this up a lot when it's below. It's still in the millions. I'll slow down around 150 to see if anything happens. We have to stop before 150 because it gets so expensive. Holy cow. I hope now that something happens at 150 now that it's this expensive. I wasn't expecting to get to a point where I was going to be this close to having to stop something. This is what happens in this game. It's like you earn enough to get to the point, and then while you're going over stuff, something does happen. Peptide bonding. When you combine two common amino acids, aspartic acid and pelalanine, added syllables and didn't pronounce any of them right, they create the artificial sweetener aspartame. This is commonly found in sugar-free and diet sodas. Very cool. $200 billion. Nice. Fly jellyfish up to 100. Ooh. Oh. Again, we're one off. It's like I can't end when we're one off. Oh, this game just drags me in. Addicted to it. This is going to probably be a slightly shorter episode than the first one, but still a good hour or so. Wow. I skipped sponge. Whoops. 2,478 jellyfish polyps were launched into space aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1991, where biologists Dorothy Bangenberg studied the effects of spaceflight on calcium loss in the animals. Flight of the jellyfish. Jellyfish. I'll say, I've learned things playing this game. That one took me by surprise. Ooh, another new thing. Sponge bath. There are about 5,000 species of sea sponges found worldwide. Very cool. Oh, yeah. That's cool. What is this? Oh, sponge. Oh, we just upgraded sponge. Thought something else flashed. Hermaphroditism. Organisms with hermaphroditism have either a complete or partial set of both male and female reproductive systems. Animals with hermaphroditism include clownfish, earthworms, and snails. Thank you for that information. Alright, we're going to pop that. And that is going to wrap us up for today. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.